And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to crop a photo in a circle shape with Adobe Photoshop. I'm going to show you 3 ways to do it. The first one is to use the frame tool. Let me copy the original by pressing Ctrl J. I'll make the original invisible. And by pressing K or selecting the frame tool, and in the top menu we need the circle, so not the square. And by doing that we can create this circle shape. So don't worry, it's still a circle even if the surrounding is identified as a square. Just release it. And here we are, and we can now highlight either the square or the original image in our layer and thus move that around and resize it. If we want to move both around, just hold Shift and make sure both are highlighted. Just like this, so now the image and the frame can be moved at the same time. So we need a background. Let me open a new layer and then I use a white color, press G for the bucket tool, and I've got a white. We can also just use the original as a background and convert it to a smart object and add a filter blur. Let me use Gaussian blur. You can see that blends very well with the circle. You can use that when you don't have a background for almost any image or photo that you've cut. Let me show you the second technique. So I'll delete that, I'll copy the original again, and now I use the marquee tool. I use the circle and I hold Shift, so now it's a perfect circle. And then I click on the layer mask. And I can move that around, no problem with that. And again we need a background, so I'll make this blurred original visible again. We've got another option to do it, so let me show you this third method. It's just about using the basic shape tools. In this case the ellipse, I'll hold Shift once more and I've got a circle created. Now I'll put the image on top, then right click and create a clipping mask. You can see we've got a white frame, so if I click on the shape layer, I can adjust that in my properties menu, so I want to get rid of it. And these are the 3 methods that you can use to crop an image into a circle shape. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.